Now, the DA and the ANC are both doing a bad job. And I just find it extremely repulsive that people will say, look, Cape Town is working. Cape Town is number 10. It came out 3 days ago. In the most dangerous cities in the world. Number 10. But then we hear Cape Town is the best run city. Do you know what that tells me as a colored male? It tells me as a colored male that the lives of my people are not a factor.
Yes.
Because 7 colored young males died between 2016 April and 2014 April and 2016 April. Now you're telling me we hear about Save the Rhino. Nobody talks about the Brano. Nobody speaks about that.
Yeah.
Those are things that if you're going to have the conversation, let's have the conversation fully.
Yes.
Because the Democratic Alliance only cares about the wealthy blacks in Cape Town and the white people in Cape Town.